Let's be honest for a moment. Most people who want to start dropshipping don't have unlimited time. They have a full-time job, studies, or family responsibilities. So the big question becomes, can I actually build a profitable Shopify dropshipping business as a side hustle without spending your entire day working on it? The answer is yes, if you use the right system. In this video, I am going to show you a practical method designed specifically for people who have limited time, but still want real results. You'll learn how to find high hype products already trending on social media, validate them in minutes, build a store that's easy to manage, and create a simple system that lets you grow your store even if you're only working on it a few hours a day. So if you want to turn dropshipping into a smart side hustle instead of a second full-time job, let's get started. Before I show you how to make Shopify dropshipping a successful side hustle, we need to remember something important. A side hustle, by definition, comes with one main limitation: time. Most people running a side hustle already have a full-time job, studies, or other responsibilities. Because of this, the method I'm going to show you in this video is designed to maximize results with limited time. So here is what we are going to cover: how to build your store in a way that allows you to quickly add high hype products, how to identify winning trending products on social media, how to validate that these products have solid sales behind them, not just engagement, how to build a simple system for consistently adding trending products with minimal time invested, and how to leverage social media to generate engagement faster. 5 simple steps, and the core idea behind this method is very simple. Side hustle equals limited time. So everything we're going to do needs to be efficient, simple, and focused on results. Now, if you only have around 20 minutes a day, it's still possible to follow this method, but it will take more time to see results, which is fine. Ideally, especially in the early stages of building your side hustle, you should aim to invest around 2 to 3 hours per day. But as your store grows, and as you gain more experience and systems in place, the amount of time required will decrease significantly. Now let's talk about strategy. Because we're working with limited time, the best approach to build a general dropshipping store that allows you to quickly add trending products that already have hype on social media and proven sales behind them. Now, this method has both advantages and disadvantages. The main advantage is speed. Since these products are already trending on platforms like TikTok or Instagram, there's already attention and demand around them. That means you spend less time educating the market, and marketing the product becomes much easier. But there's also a downside. Trending products usually have a short life cycle. They can rise very quickly in popularity, but they can also decline just as quickly. Think of it like a pop-up store strategy. You sell highly trending products while the hype is strong. They sell fast, but their shelf life is shorter compared to evergreen products. So how do we solve this? We build the store in a way that allows us to consistently add and replace trending products. That's why a general dropshipping store works best for this strategy. Let me show you a real example. So this is a Shopify dropshipping store from Denmark that follows the exact same method. If you look at the products in this store, you can immediately recognize many items that went viral on TikTok. Things like the dancing cactus toy, the pet fur remover glove, automatic cat feeders, and many other trending products. The store itself is built very simply, but effectively. It has clear sections and categories. The product pages include multiple product images, clear shipping policies, and customer reviews, which are often imported directly from suppliers like AliExpress. From what I can see, the store doesn't use complicated custom development. It mainly relies on the standard Shopify Store Builder, which is perfect for a side hustle approach. Now let me show you the real results of using this strategy. Now if I take the store's URL and scan it using the Zeek Store Sales Tracker, I can reveal hidden data that Shopify doesn't show publicly, such as estimated sales and best-selling products. And when you look at the data, you can clearly see that the potential of this method is very strong. That's because the store is consistently offering products that people are already searching for and engaging with online. So here are the key principles to remember when building a side hustle dropshipping store. Keep the store design simple and clean. Feature the latest trending products on the homepage. Organize the store into clear categories for easy navigation. Add real customer reviews, which you can import from suppliers using review apps. This setup allows you to quickly test trending products and keep your store updated with the latest hype, without spending hours redesigning or rebuilding your store. Now that we understand how to build a store that fits a side hustle model, it's time to identify trending products with strong hype on social media. There are 2 simple ways you can do this. The first option is to start engaging with TikTok content related to trending products. Like posts, follow pages, and interact with videos that showcase viral products. Once you do this, TikTok's algorithm will start showing you more trending product content automatically on your feed. The second option is to search directly using hashtags like hashtag TikTok made me buy it. This hashtag is one of the best places to discover products that are currently going viral on TikTok. When you're searching, make sure you focus on with high engagement, meaning strong number of views, likes, comments, and shares. For example, a short search on TikTok, I found 2 interesting products. The first one is the milkshake rotating magnetic water cup, and the second one is the jellyfish lamp. As you can see, both of these products have very high engagement on TikTok, which clearly shows there is strong interest around them. But here's the important question. Does high engagement also mean real buying demand? That's exactly what I'm going to show you next, which is how to validate whether these trending products are actually generating real sales. So now we have 2 products that look promising based on social media engagement. But the big question is, do they actually sell? So let me show you how to validate that. The good news is it's very quick and very simple. For this, I'll go to the Zeek Product Explorer and search for the first product we found, the stirring cup. I'll keep all the filters open so I can see whether this product is actually selling in other Shopify dropshipping stores. And you can see the sale numbers are very weak. That means this product might look viral on social media, but it doesn't have strong sales performance in real stores. This is exactly the type of product I would not move forward with, because the goal is to build a store around trending products that actually generate sales, not just engagement. Now, let's check the second product, which is the jellyfish lamp. And here, the situation is completely different. As you can see, it's not just 1 or 2 stores selling this product. Multiple stores are generating strong sales from it, which is a very good sign. Another advantage is that you can now see the price points that successful stores are using, which helps me understand the best price range to sell the product and maximize my profit. And when it comes to sourcing the product, simply click here on the AliExpress icon, and that will lead you to the item finder where you can find a similar or exact match for the product and source this item for profit. So out of the 2 products we found, 1 product is worth adding to the store. The other one is not worth investing time in. And the best part, this validation process took about 30 seconds, but it can save you hours of work and potential frustration later down the line. So never skip this step. Before we continue, if this video is giving you valuable insights for building your future side hustle, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to use the same tools I'm using in this video to validate products, you can start using Zeek Analytics today. Now, let's turn this process into a repeatable system that fits perfectly with a side hustle. The goal is to find winning products quickly and consistently without spending too much time. Here's the simple routine. Every day, spend about 30 minutes searching for new trending product opportunities on social media. Then, spend another 5 minutes validating those products using the method I just showed you. And one important tip when it comes to this research. When searching for products in tools like the Product Explorer, try using the most generic product name possible. Broad keywords usually give you better and more accurate results. If you follow this routine consistently for about 1 month, you can easily build a product catalog of 20 or more validated winning products ready to sell in your general dropshipping store. And consistency is the key here. Now, you might be wondering what happens if some of the products you add don't perform well. Well, if you're following the system I showed you in this video, you're constantly adding and testing new products that already have hype and proven sales in other Shopify stores. That means you don't need every product to work forever. If a product stops selling after a couple of months, you can simply remove it and replace it with a new trending product. That's exactly how this method works. You continuously add new trending products that currently have strong hype, and you remove the ones that are no longer performing. Because as I mentioned earlier, trending products usually experience a sharp rise in demand, but they also decline quickly once the hype fades. What goes up must come down. So the key is to keep your store dynamic, always testing, always refreshing, and always adapting to the latest trends. Now that we have covered how to consistently find and validate trending products from social media, let's talk about the next step: driving traffic to your store. Now, there are two main ways to do this. You have organic social media, which is posting content on social platforms for free, and you have paid ads, which is paying for targeted traffic to your store. Since this video focuses on building a side hustle with limited time, the goal is to use these methods strategically and efficiently. Let's start with organic social media. Now, the key here is to match the right product with the right platform. If you have a product with a strong wow factor, something visually impressive, platforms like TikTok can be extremely powerful. For example, products like the jellyfish lamp, a gravity water device, naturally captures attention in short videos. So for products like these, you can create short videos inspired by other posts that are already performing well. There are a few ways to create this content. Use AI tools to help generate simple product videos, reuse existing content, although this is less recommended, or buy the product and create your own original content, which is usually what produces the best results. Now, that doesn't mean you need to buy every product you add to your store. Instead, choose one or two standout products that are visually impressive and easy to demonstrate. Use those products to create engaging content that attracts people to your store. Once visitors enter your store, they can then explore other trending products you're offering. Now, if your products are related to home decor, lifestyle, or fashion, then Pinterest can be another great platform for generating traffic. The idea is simple. Always match the product with the platform where it performs best. Now, let's talk briefly about paid ads. Paid advertising can take a bit more time to learn, but it can also drive very fast traffic and targeted traffic to your store. Platforms like TikTok ads and Meta ads allow you to promote your products directly to a specific audience. A good strategy here is to boost posts that are already performing well organically. If you see a post that has strong engagement or even goes viral, You can then turn that post into a paid ad and then push it out to a larger audience. This way, you're not guessing what content works. You're simply scaling what already performs well. And that's the entire system. Instead of trying to build a complicated dropshipping business that requires endless hours, you focus on 3 simple things: finding trending products, validating them quickly, and consistently adding new opportunities to your store. This is exactly what makes dropshipping work well as a side hustle. You don't need to work all day. You just need a simple system and consistency. If you spend 30, even 60 minutes a day following this method, over time, you can build a store filled with validated products that already have demand behind them. And remember, consistency always beats intensity in side hustles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to use the same tools I used in this video to validate these products, you can start using Zeek today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.